Managing client's calendar. In the previous video, I discussed the questions that you should consider as a virtual assistant before you begin to manage a client's inbox. In this video I'll be discussing the questions you will ask your client during a preliminary meeting. What do you need me to help you with the calendar? For example, setting up meetings, moving meetings and/or accepting meetings. How many calendars do you use and do they auto-sync? For example, Google Calendar on the computer and iCalendar on the phone? What does your normal day look like? Which times work for you to have meetings? What is the earliest and latest you can take meetings? Which hours do you spend focusing, no meetings, having meetings, or attending to personal things? Do you need gaps or breaks in between meetings? If so, how long? For example, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. For online meetings, do you prefer Google Meet, Skype, Zoom, Teams, or FaceTime? Are all online meetings recorded? If not, which ones need recording? For direct calls, do you prefer to call people or should they call you? Do you prefer using your cell phone, landline or office line? Which meetings/stakeholders are a priority to you? Do you have any recurring meetings and appointments? What information do you need from me before going into each meeting and how well in advance do you need it? For in-person meetings, do you want travel time added to your calendar so you know when to start going to the meeting? Do you want me to send out meeting invites using your calendar or do you prefer I to use my calendar to set up meetings? Will you or someone else be adding meetings to the calendar or will I be the only one adding meetings? Like my videos and subscribe to my channel today for more content. Thank you.